Hello, Eric. I wanted to show you this software. It's called X Recorder, and I used it a bit about 2 to 3 months ago. I want to show you that what one man can do on this software, and it can really help. I also want to show you some other things that I have been doing, and I need a little bit help, like advice, because I have not studied the Bible really deeply like you and Pastor James. I have heard of Pastor James, like you told he reads the Bible like 10 hours a day. Okay, anyway, so this is the app. It's recording my screen. This is the camera, so I can shift the camera wherever I like. I can this you can see everything on my phone. So if you record, you can record this and upload it on the internet. So suppose I want to like worship, like lead a worship service. So this is how I'll do it. Um, what should I do? Bible quotes, QOTS. Okay, then images. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is like mm, I don't know, it's a devotional. Okay, so if a song accompanies this, it would be really good. So I'll open Spotify. Everything that I can do on the phone, I can record it and upload it. So I can, so like what you do with your setups in the whatever you might have been doing in the church, like mm, means like so many things, like preaching the verses and reading the verses, etc. So suppose it's this song. Good for worship. Okay, you got the idea. Okay, another thing I wanted some help with is what I'm a very active user on Quora. Quora is like a platform for asking questions, getting answers. It's a very, very useful platform, and I've learned a lot from it. So uh, like people ask questions on Quora. Now what is happening in these days during the lockdown period, and is that the operation on whatever demonic activity, it's very high. So why are you overthinking and desperate, and nobody believes in me, not even my mother anymore? See, just I opened Quora and these questions popped up. So now these people are really open to like looking for support, looking for, so if they can be brought to the Lord, I think it's a good opportunity for them to be brought to the Lord. So I don't my problem is that I don't know how to reply exactly to them. So most of the times I just tell them, pray these words, that Jesus, my Lord and Savior, deliver me from all evil, help me, I'm a sinner, etc. So I collected all the, like all the, where's that server? Okay, on my this is an app called Discord, and I created a server. I invited some friends here, like these are my friends, and I invited them. And what we do is that, look at, we collect those questions. I collect those questions. They, and there are a lot of questions. Look, Growing up, I had an aunt who was manipulative, critical, and neglected my needs. To this day, I can still feel the effects she had on me. I crumble at criticism, and I am way too hard on myself. How should I handle? So this is just one question. See, these are so many questions, so many questions that I've collected, and these people are open for it, like to to be brought to the Lord because they are broken and they need help. So they asked on Quora. So how, what are the best ways to reply if someone has been abused, if someone has been suicidal, what if someone is just asking if astrology and divine things are they really good, means non-biblical stuff. I mean, not non-biblical stuff, but something that is forbidden in the Bible. So I answer them to the best of my ability, but I don't know how to answer them. And like the people on this group, like the friends that I invited, they are kids. They are, I mean, they have not been through life's problems. So most of them don't know how to answer these questions. So that is another thing that I wanted to ask you for help. That is it. Okay, how to stop recording? Stop.